The biggest difference between KashKick and Ibotta is that KashKick focuses on completing online offers, surveys, and tasks, while Ibotta is built around earning cashback on everyday shopping receipts and eligible purchases. By the end, you'll know which app is easier to use based on how you actually want to earn rewards, so you don't waste time on the wrong platform. If your goal is simple, passive cashback while shopping, Ibotta is usually easier to understand. You browse available cashback offers, activate the ones you want before shopping, buy eligible products, then upload your receipt or link a supported retailer account when available. Once the purchase is verified, the cashback is added to your account. KashKick works differently. Instead of focusing on grocery shopping, it gives you a dashboard filled with surveys, mobile game offers, free trials, sign-up bonuses, and other promotional tasks. Each offer has its own instructions, and rewards are only credited after you complete every required step. That means you need to pay closer attention to the offer details before you begin. That leads to the biggest usability difference. Ibotta has a more consistent routine. Open the app, activate offers, shop, submit your receipt, and check your cashback. Once you understand that process, you'll repeat the same workflow almost every time. KashKick changes from one offer to the next. One task might require installing an app, another could ask you to reach a certain game level, and another might involve signing up for a service. Reading the requirements carefully becomes part of using the platform successfully. Another thing to consider is how quickly you want to earn. If you're already buying groceries or household items, Ibotta fits naturally into a shopping trip. If you enjoy trying new apps, playing mobile games, or completing surveys in your spare time, KashKick gives you more ways to earn without making a purchase, although each offer requires more attention. Neither platform is objectively easier for everyone. The better choice depends on your habits. Regular shoppers usually find Ibotta simpler because it fits into purchases they're already making. Users who prefer completing digital tasks may find KashKick more flexible, despite the extra instructions. To sum it up, choose Ibotta if you want a straightforward cashback routine tied to shopping. Choose KashKick if you prefer completing offers and don't mind following different requirements for each reward. Your next step is to think about how you actually earn rewards today, then pick the app that matches that habit instead of forcing a new one. If this comparison helped, like the video, and subscribe for more honest app comparisons and money-saving guides.